Alright, we're out at the range again. Today we've got our Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 9mm and our Glock 43. 9mm obviously. And we're going to do some more accuracy testing. Here we go. Let's not waste any more time. Alright, 5 yards. Glock 43. No problems there. We'll go down Shield. We'll put M and P. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then over here we have Glock. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, looks like the Glock did a little better this time around. So we'll go ahead and do this again. This will be number 1. This will be number 1. We'll go for 2 and 2. Let's try it again. Alright, here we go. Second round. Second round, 5 yards. M&P. No issues. Glock 43. Flush mag. No problems. Alright, this is our second series of shots. M&P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Glock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I'm going to have to say that second round of shooting's a draw. So we'll say a draw. That was a draw. So, next round of shooting, we'll go for bullseye. Alright. Next round of shooting, again 5 yards, going center mass of the target this time. M&P Shield. No problems. Felt. Alright. Target's marked. Shoot the Glock. Here we go. No problems. Let's go down range. See what we came up with. Alright. M&P, M&P. M&P, M&P. Glock, 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 Glock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, I'm going to say, you know what, that's pretty tight competition. That's, I'm going to say we're almost even across the board. I think Glock got the first. No, I'm going to say we're pretty much even across the board. I'll take that back. I'm going to say for all the targets, 1, 2, 1, and 2, I'm going to say we're pretty even across the board there. And I'm going to say the center mass target, though it is bigger, we're pretty much in the same spot. So let's go ahead and put up another new target and we'll move out. Alright, we're back. We're at 8 yards. Fresh target. M&P Shield. Here we go. No problems. Alright, Glock 43. 8 yards. No issues. All right, so here we are, 8 yards. M&P shield, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Glock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 5, and 6. So again, shield, shield, and shield. Glock, lock, Glock, lock, Glock, and Glock. I'm going to say we got it with the Glock that time. Glock's got more in a triangle. Shield has 3 on the outside of the triangle. Glock has 1. So we'll give the 8 we'll give the 8 yard shoot to the Glock. So let's do that again. This time though, 8 yards. We will use the smaller diamonds. So this M for the M&P, G for the Glock. 8 yards. All right, 8 yards again. M&P shield, smaller diamonds. Here we go. Good to go. Glock 43. No issues. Starting to get the feel for this bad boy. I apologize. I know this is a bunch of running around back and forth. Hopefully you guys are hanging in there with me. It's a pretty neat little shoot. At least I think so. I'm sure the comments will reflect if you guys don't think so. So here we are. M&P side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Glock side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I tried to shoot those both at the same cadence. Looks like Glock comes out on top again. Alright, we're going to go ahead and switch this out and go with a man-sized target and see what we can get out of that at a couple of varied distances. Alright, 15 yards. Starting off with the M&P shield. Going to engage a man-sized silhouette. Here we go. Let's go down range and look at the target. Here we are, 15 yards, man-sized silhouette. Glock 43. We'll try to match the cadence of the M&P. Ready? Begin. No problems. Let's go down range and take a look. M&P shield. M&P shield. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those are all M&P shield. Glock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, all on paper. Glock is more center mass. Let's shoot another round and see how we do so far. I think I've got this Glock zeroed in now. I feel a lot better about it. Let's do another round. 15 yards again. M&P shield. And let's pick up the cadence a little bit. So here we go. Ready? No problems, good to go. Alright, that was a very nice cadence. We'll do the same with the Glock. Here we are, 15 yards. We're going to pick up the cadence. Ready? Begin. Alright, so here we are. So, this is the second series of 15 yards at a faster cadence. I marked all of the shield hits with an M on this last series. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The Glock hits were marked here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So really the only concerning shot was this one here that was almost off paper. Besides that, I can live with every other shot on here. So what we're going to do to wrap it up today is we're going to go ahead and do 12 more shots with the M&P shield. Alright, let's wrap it up here at 15 yards. We're not going to shoot the M&P this time, just the Glock. So here we go. We'll go through 2 magazines, and I'm going to try for, let's do first magazine, we'll go for headshots. Second magazine, we'll go for all body. Here we go.
Body shots, body shots.
Alright, no issues. So for the body shots, for the headshots, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 that I can see there that were unmarked. See what else we've got here for the body. We've got 1. Looks like we got a double there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. So I think this double wasn't part of it. So there's my 6. And I must have had a solid miss up top here. Or unless this is a double. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unless I'm missing one. The body shots were fantastic. Very happy with that. And that was a pretty fast cadence too. Just a little perplexed here. Unless one of these is a double hole. This looks like it might be a double hole here. Hard to tell. Get some double, yeah, there's a double hole right there. Does that correlate to where I'm at? Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Take that all day long. Fantastic. So, not bad. Alright, so this is Toe 2 Bravo, and we're wrapping it up. We shot the M&P, and we shot the Glock 43. In the beginning, I felt a little sketchy about the Glock 43. I was worried about the accuracy, but in the end, it was me. It wasn't the firearm, which in most instances that's the case. It's the operator, not what's being utilized. The gun wasn't the problem. It was me. So once I figured out what the proper sight picture was with the Ameriglow sights, and I'll explain that maybe on paper a little later on and add that to the video. I'm extremely confident with the hits that we got here on the target. Very happy with that whole setup there. I'm confident that with my Glock or my M&P, a target between 0 and 15 yards, I have complete confidence that I can hit you in a kill zone and do it in a safe manner. So, again, this is Toe 2 Bravo. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, comments will reflect. This is Toe 2 Bravo, and I'll see you at the range again.